Mr. Singh, welcome to the Festival of FinTech. What is your take on the FinTech industry in general?
My thing is, at least in India, fintech is ruling, and we have seen a lot of progress. And India, according to me, sort of a developed nation in terms of the fintech. If I compare across the other worlds, the guardrails we have put with respect to the India stack and the other things, and the way we are reaching to the various people and providing them the benefit. So fintech that way quite exciting. Many more things need to be done, but what is good is that we have put the proper guardrail at the moment, on which now we can accelerate. So that's what my thing is on there in the fintech.
So, data is the new oil, and how are we mining the data that we are collecting from various sources? Can you tell us about that?
Yeah, so you rightly said, and India is a data-rich country, so that's good. But now, of course, we have to say the benefit of that percolates to each individual. So, apart from the tier one and tier two, tier three, and all those villages, how do we make them, let's say, the credit available based on their data? We have to remember they are doing and getting the daily wages. They can't leave the shop and go somewhere to get the credit, to get the loan. But they have all the required things in terms of data by which the credit can be given to them, and that will help in the overall inclusion, which, like we talk of the financial inclusion. The thing is, of course, at the moment, India is sitting at the sweet spot of, as I said, fintech. We are number one. Demographic dividends, we are hoping to get it, but we have to utilize it properly. Otherwise, we may become older before we become really developed. So making sure that by this data, everybody is getting in the ambit of financial inclusion, and they're able to work, and for working what all they require, we are able to provide with their own data, as well as now this is where I'll put a caution of something on the data privacy, because though data helps to personalize the thing, to personalize credit, personalize loans, but it should not get misused, and that is where the big education is required from all stakeholders.
And lastly, how was your experience on being on the panel?
Yeah, it's an honor to be here on the business world, because from childhood, of course, I used to read. I still read the business world, and participating in that and making taking the journey of fintech festival in the business world. It's a very nice, very humbling experience for me.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.